Replicon is a popular accounting software, but before you decide to buy it, there are a few important things you need to know. We'll cover 12 key aspects of this software, and by the end, you'll have a clearer picture of whether it's the right fit for your business, compared to its competitors. First, Replicon offers strong time tracking features, which are great for businesses that need to track employee hours for payroll, invoicing, and project management. But when compared to others like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, Replicon's time tracking is more advanced, especially for project-based businesses. Next, it's known for its scalability. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Replicon can adapt as your company grows. However, this scalability comes at a price. Some users find its pricing structure to be a bit complicated, especially if you're just starting out. The third thing to keep in mind is the user interface. While it's relatively intuitive, some users have pointed out that navigating through different features can feel a bit clunky, especially when you're trying to switch between various functions. This can be a bit more seamless in software like Xero or Wave, which prioritize simplicity. The fourth thing is the range of integrations. Replicon integrates with major tools like Salesforce, Google Workspace, and more. But if you're using niche applications, you might find its integrations a bit limited compared to competitors like Zoho Books, which has a broader range of integrations with third-party apps. Fifth, Replicon shines when it comes to its project management tools. You can track billable hours, manage budgets, and keep track of timelines. However, if you're looking for in-depth project management features, like those offered by software like Monday.com or Asana, Replicon might not have the depth you're looking for. Next, one of its strengths is its reporting capabilities. It offers detailed financial reporting that can be customized to suit your business needs. Still, the reporting options aren't as flexible or as user-friendly as some of its competitors like QuickBooks or Sage, which offer more in-depth, customizable reports. The seventh thing is customer support. Replicon provides 24/7 support, but while responsive, users report that it can take a little longer than expected to resolve more complex issues. Compare this with software like FreshBooks, which is often praised for its faster response times. The eighth thing to note is its mobile app. Replicon offers a mobile app, but it's not as polished as some other accounting apps on the market. Users of competitors like QuickBooks Online report that their apps provide smoother functionality and more features. The ninth point is its pricing structure. Replicon can get expensive, especially when you factor in all the additional features you may need for a larger team or more complex accounting needs. For smaller businesses, alternatives like Wave or FreshBooks offer more affordable options. Next, Replicon provides robust compliance management, which is excellent for businesses operating across different regions. However, the level of customization available in terms of tax settings and compliance options is not as extensive as what you get with software like Sage Intacct, which is tailored more for complex financial operations. The 11th point is its automation features. Replicon allows you to automate time tracking, billing, and reporting. But, again, the automation is not as advanced as some competitors like QuickBooks, which allows for more comprehensive workflows and automation options. Finally, Replicon offers decent security features to keep your financial data safe. However, when it comes to data privacy and protection, some competitors, like Xero or Zoho Books, provide more extensive safeguards and encryption options, which may be a deciding factor for larger businesses. Replicon is a solid choice for businesses that need strong time tracking and project management tools. It's a good fit for mid-sized to large companies that need scalability, but it may not be the best fit for small businesses on a budget, or those looking for a simpler interface. If you're looking for something more straightforward or affordable, we recommend checking out our suggested solution, which you can try for free.